Hi there, Gary here at Restore Solutions. Why is Restore Solutions the best? Well, I've broken it down for you. We have best pricing. We have the biggest range of restoration equipment in the industry. We have express ordering with our awesome website, so easy to order. We have express delivery. We have our services and backup services second to none. And our training, whether it's our training resources with our YouTube channel, we have procedures on our website about all of our processes on how to clean and how to do certain things using Restore Solutions products. And our on-the-job support. Our on-the-job support is fantastic by specialists who do cleaning and restoration training to help you get much better result for your jobs. That's why Restore Solutions is the best. Check us out online. Check out our website, restoresolutions.com.au for further information. Thanks for watching.